Hey guys, so today I made around $66.26. So I made $26 in trading, and I'll be also explaining how much I made on October. So let's talk about my trade first. So I will combine this strategy right here: liquidity sweep, reversal patterns, supply and demand, trend line break, and break structure. And also I'll be combining the MATE strategy, MATE's acronym: M for market direction, A for alignment, T for timing, and E for exit. So let's do the MATE strategy. So market direction, we'll check in the daily time frame. We see that's uptrending. So our market direction is simple, it's uptrend. Next, okay, M for market direction, A for alignment. Okay, alignment is here, right over here, supply and demand. It touched our this our demand zone, touch our demand zone, so we can actually check that. So check and plus alignment. So we put our alignment. It touched here, and yeah, it created a double bottom with a liquidity sweep. You see there's a liquidity sweep over there. So we could also check that, since that is one of my strategies too, to look for a liquidity sweep. So we can check that right over here. Next is, since we see a double bottom liquidity sweep, then it turned into a rever what do you call this, a reversed head and shoulders, so that's pretty good. Next is okay, alignment. Okay, next is the timing. When are we going to enter the trade? When it breaks over here. So you can see over here that once I saw it broke around over here, that I took a trade. By the way, in MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 5 is actually more accurate than in TradingView. So in MetaTrader 5, this actually broke. This part right here, it actually broke. So that's why I took a buy over there. Let's say if I didn't take a buy over here, if I was like, let's say, late, I would probably take a buy over here, since it's a liquidity sweep. I mean, it's a reversed head and shoulders. You see here, reversed head and shoulders. So I would take a buy over here, since it breaks. There's a break of structure right over here. So yeah, that's if I was late. If I didn't take a buy over here, but since I was early, I already took a buy. Next, all right. So we're done with our alignment. We're done with our break of structure. By the way, did we check our break of structure? Already checked break of structure. We already got the timing. Now the exit. My exit was my stop loss to be below this higher low. See higher. You see this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then so on and so forth. So yeah, I put my stop loss over here, risking around like $36, less than 1%, because I'd be risking $40, and my capital is like $4,000. So I risk 1% only to protect my account and keep trading and keep learning. So next is where I put my take profit. So where I put my take profit is right over here. If it reached over here, I would make around $160. But since my strategy is to, like, once it goes to like 200 pips, like $80. If it goes like $80, because right, I'm risking $40, right? If it goes like $80, then I will put my trend lines. So I keep adjusting it. By the way, I'll show you. My trend line used to be right over here. Let's see. It used to be right over here. I could stop my trade right over here, but there is no sign of momentum. So I keep adjusting, adjusting till I saw momentum to the downside. So once I saw momentum, I keep adjusting. Then once I saw momentum that actually broke the trend line, then I stopped my trade and made $59. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's my exit strategy. Once it breaks the trend line, I made $59. That's simple. So okay, reversal pattern. I forgot to check that, by the way. Reversal pattern and a trend line break. You see here, there's like a trend line break, by the way. I forgot my alignment. We go back to alignment from the mate strategy. I forgot the alignment. Here the trend line, there was a 2 point touch break. Then the third one, it broke. And yeah, another alignment. I put a liquidity sweep right here and a and a resistance. What just happened? Cool. What just happened? Okay, that's crazy. Okay, so yeah, alignment, everything good, everything checked. So this is a plus setup. This is very good. I am very proud of myself. So now we will be talking about my trades on October. We'll talk about how much I made on October. So how much I made on October is around $114. See right here. Pretty good. I'm proud of myself. I have good risk management. There are some trades I trade. There's some trades that I risk less than 1%, and I'm so proud of myself. Cause look, 2 trades, I only lost $54. Think about it though. Again, I risk $40 per trade, but since I have a good strategy, I was able to lessen it. I was able to lessen my losses. So instead of losing like $80, I lost 54.22. So I'm very proud of myself that I'm able to make my account survive. In trading, it's all about survival. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So October 1 to 3, I lost $40. October 6 to 10, I made 110. That was like my biggest trade ever, like in a single trade. That's like my biggest trade right now. 110. I am so proud of myself. Next, October 13 to 17, I lost 54. I'm still happy because I lost less. October 20 to 24, I made 66. October 27 to 31, I made 2 trades. Okay, let's see. I lost 25. See, that's less than 1% again. Usually when I trade, I risk $40. Like this trade right here, I risk like almost $40. But since I made some mistakes and I, have a good strategy, I lost only 25. I that trade, the one where I lost 25, I kind of made a mistake. But good thing my risk management is very good and my strategy is very good. So, and lastly, the one I showed you, I made $59.26. So this right here is the where I lost 25, and when I made 59, that's in 1 week. So I made $33 from October 27 to 31. So yeah, tomorrow will be November 1. That it might be my last month of trading. And December I'm resting. I'm resting for to resting my mental health, because trading is all about mental. It's a mental battle in trading. It's all about mental. And yeah, I'm actually doing well. And I'm happy. I'm happy. It took me years, but I'm finally learning. And it's not like $1,000, but I'm actually making money. I'm actually making money. Because it's $114 on October, so not bad. 7 trades, everything good. I'm very proud of myself. $114. That's good. That's good. Okay, so let's say if I don't make money on November, then I'll be trading on December. But let's say if I made money on November, let's say around $100 to $160, then I don't have to trade on December. I'm happy already. I'll be happy. So yeah, that's basically it. If you watch till the end, thank you for watching, and see you guys on my next good trade.